Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two amazing Canon cameras, the Canon EOS M50 Mark E and the Canon EOS R7. We will evaluate these cameras in various categories to help you decide which one is the perfect fit for your photography needs. But before we dive in, make sure to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Let's get started. When it comes to image quality, both cameras offer exceptional results. The Canon EOS M50 Mark E features a 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, delivering sharp and detailed images even in low light conditions. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R7 comes with a 32.5 MP APS-C CMOS sensor, ensuring your photos appear crisp and vibrant. Both cameras excel in capturing stunning images, making it a tough choice in this category. If you are into videography, both cameras have impressive features. The Canon EOS M50 Mark E allows you to record videos in 4K UHD 24p and HD 120p for slow-motion shots. It also comes with a vari-angle touchscreen LCD, which is perfect for vlogging and composing shots from different angles. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R7 takes it a step further with its Digic X image processor, delivering ultra-high-definition videos and high-speed continuous shooting. It's a fantastic choice for capturing fast-paced action and sports events. When it comes to lens compatibility, both cameras offer versatility. The Canon EOS M50 Mark E supports various EFM lenses, allowing you to choose from a wide range of lenses for different photography styles. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R7 is compatible with RFS, RF, EFS, and EF mounts, giving you access to a vast selection of lenses. Whether you are a beginner or a professional photographer, both cameras provide the flexibility to explore different lenses and expand your creativity. Now, let's talk about the price point. The Canon EOS M50 Mark E is priced at $899, while the Canon EOS R7 comes at a higher price of $1,899. It's important to consider your budget and the features you prioritize when making a decision. Both cameras offer exceptional performance, but the Canon EOS M50 Mark E is more affordable, making it a great option for those looking for a high-quality camera without breaking the bank. And there you have it. We've compared the Canon EOS M50 Mark E and the Canon EOS R7 in various categories. Both cameras have their unique strengths, so it ultimately comes down to your personal preferences and requirements. We hope this comparison helped you in making an informed decision. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more camera reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.